Wow, is it cold out there? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry I have not been posting lately. I have been really sick. I did take a COVID test. Here's how that went.
This can't be right.
Place a swab in here for 30 seconds. I guess swirl it, a couple flicks, and then 4 drops onto our test. Then wait 15 minutes. Let's check my test. Oh boy. Just kidding. It's negative. I don't know. I must just be a little bitch. But on a good side, we did get snow today. About time. Wow, it is 15 degrees out there. It looks like it's going to be snowing for another couple hours. This all came last night, January 7th. I mean, it's about time to actually have snow. The Razor is completely covered. I have yet to experience the snow with the Razor. But first thing first, I need to get this thing all cleaned up. I got so much snow in here, and we need to do some snow riding. Oh, this is some cold weather. Let's see if the Razor starts. Well, it's been a minute since I've been here. Like I said, see if the family missed me. Did you miss me? You missed me?
No, I did not. Can you please go get COVID and go back home?
We gotta settle this dilemma. My brother thinks the all-wheel... Buddy, what are you doing?
I'm running. I'm excited.
The all-wheel drive BMW with... What kind of tires you got on here?
All seasons.
All-season tires versus the two-wheel drive Chevy Supersonic with winter tires. Well, where are we taking these two?
Down the snowy driveway, we're gonna do some drifts and some rips.
Buddy, I see the Power Stroke back there. Yeah, it looks like that thing's...
Hey, go check out the new tip.
I have a tip for you, buddy. Ford to shit.
It's freaking cold out here. Let's get going.
What in the world? Right in the side of my vehicle, probably. He's down there, bud. Gas prices are high. Don't want to rev your vehicle too much. Let me show you how it's done. We made it to the testing compound. We're gonna see which car makes it up the hill further. I see someone already had some practice. Hey, sorry to disturb you. You're up first.
Well, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Yeah, we'll be waiting. Not bad. Not bad. Oh yeah, he definitely can. You're not making it in reverse. Barely made it.
I climbed Everest, basically.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna win.
I'm gonna go get the Power Stroke.
Yeah, if it even starts in this weather. You know it's winter. Those things aren't known to start too well.
Get to start, no plug-in, no problem. First try, lots of smoke, easy.
I think your all-wheel drive car just got smoked by a two-wheel drive Supersonic.
That's racing. It's having a little acceleration test, maybe a little drift off.
Okay, let's run it.
All right.
Let's do a little acceleration test. I don't know, that will probably be pretty close. He has 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive with snow tires. I guess we'll have to see. This has nothing to do with power and everything to do with traction. So actually can pull out faster on this hard-packed snow road. Now he wants to line them up. We've got the front-wheel drive Chevy Supersonic and then the all-wheel drive BMW. Winter tires on the Sonic, all-season tires on the BMW, and we're gonna race them. But do you actually think you're gonna win?
Oh, you're gonna get smoked. Yeah.
This has nothing to do with power and everything to do with traction.
And I'm all-wheel drive. I got 4 tires spinning.
But you got all-season tires. This right here, bud, this is called snow. You're gonna need to get yourself a pair of snow tires.
Hey!
What?
Snow comes in winter, and winter's a season. I got all seasons, all 4, baby.
I think you need to ask Daddy nicely and get yourself 4 winter tires. But I guess,
I think you need to hop in your car and settle this beef. Let's open this can of tuna.
I'd pre-start your wipers because you're gonna be eating my snow.
You better take them racing stripes off after I win because you're gonna lose.
Let me hear your dad's BMW. Here's the Chevy Supersonic. And go. This is like a slow-mo race. And we're beating them! Geez, what happened there, bud?
Jeez, how big's your turbo, buddy? Yeah, we're ready to go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's pretty close. Nice donuts.
Hey, thanks, man. Had to head out though because Daddy said my allowance was ready.
I think I bought you guys toys. You shouldn't destroy them.
Dad, you said if I broke it, you'd buy me another.